This is Eastern Homes Estate. Right here at Ugwuomu. Ugwuomu is just a few minutes drive, less than 5 minutes drive from Caritas University here at Ugwuomu. So Ugwuomu is just after Mbaka Junction, that's Adoration ground behind the airport, and very close to Upper Room. Upper Room is a mini drive from here. This is an estate. It's a mixed-use estate comprising of 500 square meter plots of land. Now remember, last week natural gas, liquefied natural gas, was discovered right here in Enugu. You know the thing, because you must have seen a lot of it on the internet. And a couple of people asked me for some properties within this environment that they can buy, just in case, of course, the cost of land around here appreciates, which definitely it will. So today we're at Eastern Home right now. 2 million naira comes with the C of O. Yes, this estate comes with the C of O. This is the major road in between the estate. I can make available the estate plan for you to see. Just send me a message on 00967376668, and I will show you that a couple of people have started building already in the estate. Now, here's the thing. This estate used to sell for 800,000 naira as at this time last year. They moved to 1 million naira.
And then before September or October, it went to 1.2 million. Then it went to 1.5 million, and currently it's at 2 million naira. Now, this 2 million came about before the LNG thing began. That means that in no distant time, once the
exploration of the LNG gas begins, the price will go up again, because once exploration, like now, they put a barrier at that place right now, and so they are getting ready to start exploring. Once exploration begins, you know, people will come and all of that, and then the value of property around here will rise, because they will need somewhere to live, they will need somewhere to, you know, build other things like offices that they're going to be using to do the exploration. I want to take advantage of this today. Now, on my way out, I will do a drive-through video to show you what the road looks like out of here, the distance between Eastern Homes and that spot, right? So in between Eastern Homes and Caritas, where the gas was discovered, there is a market called Goodluck Jonathan International Market. I'll show you all of that, and then there's Upper Room. So call me today on 00967376668 and let us bring you for a free inspection. Okay, very good day. Bye for now. So we are leaving Eastern Homes and we are heading back. So this is just to show you the distance between Eastern Homes and the market, the Goodluck Jonathan Market, and Upper Room. So this is where Upper Room began.
This is the prayer arena called Emmanuel's City, right here to the right. The prayer arena called Emmanuel's City. Yeah, it's been raining,
and so hence the road. So this is the prayer arena called Emmanuel City. Emmanuel City right there. And you can see Catholic Charismatic Renewal of Nigeria. Yeah, so this is the prayer arena for Upper Room. That's the Charismatic Renewal, that's the prayer arena. And this is another estate right here, because that's to show you this estate currently sells for 4.5 million naira. Right here also has a C of O, because it is almost opposite Upper Room. You know, meanwhile, Eastern Homes is just a minute away from Upper Room, just 1 minute. All right, so this is Upper Room, and Eastern Homes sells for just 2 million naira as at today. So it's just 2 million naira as at today. This is Upper Room Ministry. Upper Room Ministry. Upper Room is a prayer ministry. It's just like Adoration. You know, Upper Room. See. Upper Room is just a minute from, less than a minute drive from Eastern. Okay, so this is like the quarters for Upper Room Ministry, and of course the ministry, Upper Room Ministry, ends somewhere here. It's quite a big place. Forgive the sun rays. As at the time we're making this video, the sun was kind of interrupting. So you can see electricity, the electric poles, electricity here, this area. You can see people even live around here. Some people live around here. So this is a very good place to buy
investment.
And 2-3 years from now, you sell, you
I can guarantee 100% ROI. Yes, because in the last 1 year we have seen 100% ROI in this place. In the last 1 year, it sold for 800,000 to 1 million
to 1.5, and it's currently at 2 million naira. 800 to 1.1, sorry, 1 million to 1.2, 1.5, now 2 million naira. You can see there are buildings and structures everywhere around here. Now this is less than 3 minutes drive, and because of it is not hard yet. Now this is Goodluck Ebele Jonathan International Market. You can see the market is even expanding because of demand. Because of demand, the market is expanding. This is a new market. It is this much. Okay, and today is a Sunday, and the day we're making this video is a Sunday. So there's not much activity today. Normally, there is a lot of activity in this market. You know, normal weekdays, working days, there's a lot of activity in this market. So call today on 00967376686 and let us bring you for a free inspection. You can see the tarred road right there. The tarred road is barely 4 minutes away from Eastern Homes. You can see that road leads to Okoye University. Right? This is Goodluck Ebele Jonathan Market. You know. And this spot is about 2 minutes, around 2 minutes drive to Caritas University. Just a few minutes drive to Caritas University. There are a lot of other estates right there, like Masidot Layout, P1 Estate, Max. So this is still the fence of Caritas University. Call us today for an inspection, free inspection, and secure your own plot. 08096737668. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Good afternoon. I am the Public Relations Officer, Nigerian Security Defense Enugu State Command. My name is Chief Superintendent Denny Manuel Iwuchukwu. For about 3 days now, our surveillance men got the information that there's fire outbreak in this locality known as Amorji, Nike, in Enugu State. The commandant of Enugu State Command, Commandant EV Africa, mobilized our men to the scene to ensure safety of life and property. And coming to this place, a lot of things were discovered. It was discovered that the management of the school, Caritas University Enugu, engaged the services of water drilling company to drill a borehole for the school. And as the water drilling company were going on, as they have gotten about 1,000 feet down the earth, and they discovered the gas emission. And the company quickly pulled out their machine and reported back to the school management. And the school management eventually also contacted the safety agencies to come to their rescue. The fire services here, the state fire service, the federal fire service, the NEMA, the SEMA, the civil defense, the NESRA, and the DPR, and so many other groups were here trying to put out this fire. A lot of thousands of liters of water and the chemical has gone into this fire, yet the fire refused to abate. It was discovered that it's been suspected that the water is coming from natural oil gas deposit beneath the ground. Since NNPC came here and confirmed that there is no pipeline network within this axis, but